Guilford County parent wants more transparency from her son's school after a positive case of COVID-19 on his football team. WFNY News 2's Avery Powell breaks down the school district's contact tracing policies.
Lauren, the parent I spoke with wants schools in Guilford County to change the way they communicate when there is a COVID-19 exposure or positive test. She says it's left her wondering whether sending her son to football practice is even safe.
My reaction was, oh my God, because I know that my student, now my child has been vaccinated. He's fully vaccinated, but he has an underlying health condition, diabetes.
Luwanda Smith-Davis says she got this message last week telling her someone on the Eastern Guilford JV football team tested positive for COVID-19. This led to their game getting canceled, but the varsity game was still on. Smith-Davis says with the connection between the teams, she wondered why both games weren't called off. According to Guilford County Schools, the county health department handles contact tracing and quarantining in partnership with the district.
But if my son was near this player, I have a right to know as a parent.
On Monday, Smith-Davis says neither team practiced, and she was told via text message. They were back on the field Tuesday, something she questioned the coach on.
I text, is that safe? They text back, there are certain people who have been told to quarantine.
GCS says only students in close contact with a positive case would get notified unless there is a cluster of 5 or more linked cases. In that case, all parents and students would be told. Smith-Davis understands the school needs to keep medical information private, but she wants better communication.
I just want the school to have their individual quarantine policy and disseminate correct information, not one-line sentences.
The district's contact tracing fact sheet says close contacts will be notified by phone, text message, or even a letter by public health or sometimes the principal or coach. Right now, there are 3 active cases at Eastern Guilford.